Hello everyone, and today we have a video review of wireless headphones from the company Roseselsa, namely the model Ceramics X. The headphones come in such a beautiful box where on the front side you can see the headphones themselves with a case, as well as certifications. On the back of the box we have brief information about these headphones. Well, let's not drag out the video but move on to unpacking. Let's see what's in the kit. After opening the box, we are immediately greeted by a case with headphones, but for now we will put them aside and see what else is included in the kit. Next, there is a warranty card, instructions, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, as well as a set of ear pads. By the way, my kit also includes a protective cover for the case. Well, now let's talk in more detail about the Ceramics X headphones themselves. The charging case is very smooth and has only one LED status indicator, a Type-C connector for charging, and a switch button. Inside the case, the headphones are perfectly held by magnets, and you don't have to worry about the headphones falling out when you open the case lid. The headphones are made in the shape of a barrel and have contacts for charging, an LED indicator for operation, a microphone hole, and there is also a touch panel on the headphones, thanks to which all the necessary functions are controlled. Thanks to IPX5 protection, you no longer have to worry about water getting on the headphones. Touch controls. Previous track, 3 taps on the left earbud. Next track, 3 taps on the right earbud. Volume up, single tap on the right earbud. Volume down, single tap on the left earbud. Play, pause. Double tap on either earbud, also used for answering or ending calls. Activate game mode, 4 taps on the left earbud. Voice assist, 4 taps on the right earbud. Control noise cancellation. Modes, long 3-second press on either earbud. 54 ms low. Latency. The Ceramics X offers a low latency with a response time of just 54 ms, making it pretty suitable for gaming or watching videos without any noticeable delay between audio and visuals. Noise cancellation, modes. Normal mode disables all noise cancellation features to let you hear the earbud's natural sound quality. Active noise cancellation effectively blocks out noises, and it makes it good for use in busy streets, buses, or trains. Switching between modes is easy with a long 3-second press on any earbud, or through the Rose Technics app. Wind noise cancellation reduces wind noise whistle, which is very useful when walking outside on a windy day or riding a bicycle. Transparency mode. This mode allows external sounds to come through so you can stay aware of your surroundings. This one is great when you need to hear what's going on around you while you listen to your music. IPX5 water resistance. The Ceramics X is rated IPX5 for water resistance, which means it can withstand sweat and light rain. This makes them suitable for workouts and outdoor activities. Battery life. The battery life on the Ceramics X is actually impressive. Throughout all my testing, the battery never died on me during use. As long as I could sit and listen, those earbuds kept going. I found that I only needed to charge the case after 4 to 5 days of regular use, which is very convenient for everyday use. Overall, timbre. The Ceramics X brings a fun V-shaped sound signature that's more engaging and lively. It has a focus on the bass and treble while keeping the mids slightly recessed, which is typical for this type of tuning. But overall, the timbre is energetic and actually fun and nice to have, making it enjoyable for casual listening, as I, for example, am not likely to be listening critically when I'm on the go, whether it's in buses or a train. So this tuning is actually nice and even great for genres like electronic music. Bass. The bass performance of the Ceramics X is punchy and well controlled. The sub-bass extends pretty deep and provides a satisfying rumble that adds depth to the music without too much overpowering the other frequencies. The mid-bass is boosted enough to give impact to percussion and bassy instruments, making the sound feel full and lively. Despite the V-shaped bass, the bass doesn't usually bleed into the mids and is actually maintaining a pretty clear separation. Mids. The mids are somewhat recessed due to the V-shaped tuning and can cause vocals, especially male vocals, to sound veiled. However, the upper mids are more present and allow instruments and high-pitched vocals to shine through with good enough clarity and detail. This tuning makes the upper mids smooth, although the mids could benefit from a little boost to balance the overall sound. Highs. The treble on the Ceramics X is sparkly and detailed, adding a sense of airiness to the music. It handles cymbals and high-frequency sounds with good shimmer. However, the treble can become harsh at higher volumes, so keeping the volume at a low to mid-level is recommended for a better experience. The combination of these elements creates a sound profile that's both fun and engaging, with enough detail and clarity to satisfy most listeners. Equalizer presets. Pop. This preset pushes the vocals and mids forward, making them more prominent in the mix. This setting pulls the bass and treble back, and I would say maybe even too much, and this creates a more vocal-centric experience. While this can make the vocals stand out, it can also make the sound feel less balanced, as the bass and treble lose too much of their impact. Hi-Fi. Now the Hi-Fi preset aims for a more neutral and balanced sound, though it still keeps the V-shaped tuning. To my taste, this one provides the best overall balance among the three presets. The hi-fi preset is my favorite for everyday listening, as it offers a more natural and detailed sound compared to the other modes, although I still need to EQ the mids a bit. Rock. The rock preset pushes the bass and treble even more, pushing the mids further back. This creates a powerful and more energetic sound that is great for bass-heavy tracks. The bass becomes more prominent and impactful, and the treble gains even more sparkle. However, keep in mind that the mids can feel quite recessed, making vocals and mid-range instruments much less on stage, and maybe even pushed back to the background. Technicalities. Soundstage. The soundstage is average in width and height for its price point. It gives a decent sense of space but doesn't offer an expansive experience. It's what you'd expect for a $50 pair of TWS earbuds. Imaging. I was quite disappointed by the imaging. It was hard for me to pinpoint where the instruments were placed in the mix. The separation between different elements wasn't as clear as I'd hoped, making it harder to enjoy more complex tracks. Layering is adequate. Instruments and vocals don't get muddled together, but they also don't stand out distinctly. It's acceptable for casual, everyday listening, but it doesn't quite have the precision needed for truly hi-fi sound. Separation. The separation is fine but not exceptional. In busy tracks, instruments are somewhat distinguishable, but they don't stand out as clearly as I'd like. But higher-pitched instruments and vocals do stand out and get their space in the stage. Overall, I'd say that the technical performance of the Ceramics X is in line with what I would personally expect from a $50 TWS with active noise cancellation and a handy app with plenty of features. It's good enough for everyday use, but might leave audiophiles wanting more. Conclusions. The Roseselsa Ceramics X earbuds offer an overall nice package for their $50 price tag, with features like LDAC, ANC, and a fun V-shaped sound signature. When considering all this, the Ceramics X actually bring a lot of value to the table. The lightweight build, small form factor, and comfortable fit make them great for long listening sessions, and the touch controls are easy to use and are very responsive. While the treble can be harsh, and the mids, particularly male vocals, can sound veiled, the overall sound quality is enjoyable. I feel that the bass is punchy and deep, though not overly powerful. Additionally, the various EQ presets provide some flexibility, and to my experience, the hi-fi mode is offering the best balance of them. With all this considered, I really think that the Ceramics X earbuds deliver great performance and a very nice set of features for their price range, including an app, and all of this makes them a very solid choice, which I can easily recommend if you are looking for a budget and quality TWS earbuds. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.